Well, ladies and gentlemen, boy, am I glad I decided to switch out the wheels. The first snowfall of the year literally just happened 2 days after I decided to do that. So, like I said, looked at the weather, it looked like crap, and welcome to Michigan. We are here. We are prepping for the winter time. Unfortunately, we have wheels off. We have quite a bit to do as far as the car. Interior is going to be a hit right now with the full detail, and then need to give a full detail on the exterior of this car, which means hitting it with a wash, iron remover, and then a ceramic booster spray. So let's get into it. I just have like a bunch of water bottles because I'm a slob. I'm that guy. I'm like, yeah, you can just move those to the back. It's bad, man. That's really bad. That's not typical for me. I usually keep my car clean, but right now I look like that guy. So I'm gonna pull out the vacuum, get this thing cleaned up, and then, dude, these wheels are gnarly. I did not detail these before I put them away for the summertime. Pretty gross. Need them to look good because they actually look like decent wheels when they're clean. So that is what is on the agenda for today. I did just take these off the car, so I'm gonna hit these with a wash also. Probably gonna prop them up somehow and then get a good detail on them before we put them away for the winter. They're beautiful wheels, they're ceramic coated. They enjoy being pampered. And then this stuff is no longer branded as Synergized Car Care, but this is the best detailing spray in the world. It's ceramic detail spray. It's the maintenance ceramic booster we're gonna use. I just stocked up on it. Maybe in the future, I'll tell you guys where to get this, but for now I am gatekeeping it because it is freaking insane. So we're all stocked up there. And then I'm running low on wheel and tire cleaner. That did last me over a year though, so I think we're good for the time being. Soaking my phone. Just dried it off, got it back in the garage. I did hit the whole, basically bottom half of the car with iron remover, just because it's good to do like once every, maybe like once a season. If you're doing maintenance washes, just do it like in between. Clean microfiber towel. I'm about to hit this with the yellow spray, the soon to be revealed branded yellow spray. This is the best stuff, I'm not exaggerating, in the world. I've tried everything. Ceramic boosters, ceramic sprays. This is the stuff. Like I said, it is not Synergized Car Care any longer. I will let you guys know what it is as soon as they are rebranded fully and in the swing of things. This stuff goes quick. Like I said, I picked up 2 gallons of it because I just wanted to stock up. I'm going to apply this over the entire surface of the car pretty liberally just because this is like the prep wash for winter. So let's hit that right now. yellow spray is finished. This thing is looking amazing. The before and after. I know I showed you guys the gnarliness, but all is well and good. Every single inch of the carbon fiber has been covered with yellow spray. Even down here at the diffuser, look at that shining, looks awesome. I did hit the exhaust tips with the wheel cleaner, so just brightens them up a bit. Whew, I'm tired, dude. I've been going at this detail for like an hour and a half now, non-stop. But it is so rewarding when it's finished. The yellow spray is super hydrophobic too. It'll protect against like snow, wet, sleet, rain, all that yucky stuff going into the winter season. Just happy to be done today. I'm exhausted, holy crap. Now all that's left to do is go watch some college football, go edit this video. That's it, ladies and gents. That is the winter prep for the car. We got the wheels on. We got it all nice and protected. I gotta find a place to store these guys. I don't wanna stack them up like I did all season long last year, but I'm gonna save that till later. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is officially the season of winter. Sun is setting at 4:50 p.m. The car doesn't have the summer wheels on anymore. The meats are dwindling. The weather is getting worse. So fun and joyous here in Michigan. I tell you what, we're gonna make the most of it though. We have a couple things planned going up to M22 detailing up in the Northland here shortly. Probably gonna be doing some videos then. We have an all-wheel drive Audi after all, so I think we're gonna make some fun kind of winter content. No matter what. There's always usually a couple meets and whatnot in the wintertime, like Out of Office Garage had one, then I think there are some other ones just sprinkled in here and there. But last year we made it happen where we were not dry for content. We kept going all the way through, but things are definitely slowing down. You can see it, you can feel it. As I'm recording this, Thanksgiving was yesterday, so I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving holiday, spend time with family and friends. The other thing I wanted to mention was I just stocked up on this stuff right here, the Adams car shampoo. It is Black Friday today. I know a lot of companies are doing their kind of extended Black Friday week, and I've been posting some deals on my Instagram that I've just come across, not anything like super promotional or like sponsored or whatever, but literally just things that I come across. I'm like, wow, that's a good deal. I'm sure my followers would appreciate that. There are also some really good tool deals. I saw like Harbor Freight has good tool deals, so I'm gonna check that out too. So if you guys are interested in like Black Friday deals or just deals in general, I've been posting a lot on my Instagram, so go check that out. It's S4_KevG. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. If you guys found it interesting, entertaining, make sure to hit the like button for the algorithm. Subscribe if you guys are new. We're trying to hit 30,000 subscribers. We're almost there. Appreciate every single one of you. We're gonna be filming a lot next week, so stay tuned. Fun stuff coming. Peace.